Hello folks, welcome to Duinitic channel. Today I'm going to help you how to clone a CSS style from other website or other web application that you like and you'd like to learn how they did that, or you would like to add this to your portfolio. So that is going to be very straightforward and simple. And before that, don't forget to press subscribe button and enable notification bell to get all new videos and tutorials. And also press thumb up and for this tutorial, and leave your comment down in the comment section. Let's go and try build that. For example, this one here, this on Material UI, I found this button, a very nice button here, and I like it. And I don't know how the style and the design, for example, if you are a beginner in CSS and would like to learn how to do this, and this in our site that we are going to build it to be just same, even the hover state and the design and everything will be same. So in this scenario, basically we'll learn how you can actually do this in your own, and also we'll learn what the CSS styles that they are using, and in very simple way, as I mentioned. Let's just destroy this one, and I'm going to start this from scratch, and it's going to be very straightforward and simple. As I mentioned, this is a Material UI website, and what I'm going to do basically here in this page, I'm going to open the terminal and create new directory, and I'm inside directory called channel, and here I'm going to just call mkdir, and I'm going to call it just style or clone CSS, and just navigate inside clone CSS, and let's just create a file HTML index, and also let's create a style.css, and let's open this on VS Code, and this will open here. Let's just make large screen here. So here we have two files, one file empty file for HTML and empty file for CSS. Let's just create very simple HTML document here, and let's just change this to style or clone CSS, and inside this body let's just have a div with a class, call it container, just to move the button to the center of the screen, just to make it look stand out. And inside here let's just have a button, any like simple button, and call it just inside here, let's call button or custom button just to be same. And now we have our button. Let's just link our style link or file, and this, which is just linking this style, this file here, and inside this style let's just have that container class we just added, and let's just give it margin O2 to bring the things as the button to the center, or and all the content to the center, and just padding left 20 pixel, padding right 20 pixel. And let's go and try open this one here, and let's open this using the Chrome tab. So this is the button we have here, and we need to make it look like this button. Let me just have this two in one screen. Let's just drag this here, this side. So now we have these two side by side. We need to make this button here to be look like this one. Simply easy, and just taking this Material UI styling, CSS style. Let's open the developer tool here on this side for the Material UI. Let me close this one, we don't need this one. And what we need to do here in developer tool, you need to press this here, this icon here, and then until it becomes this blue color, and then highlight the button that, or the section that you need to take the CSS from. So that now is selected. For example, make sure that on the DOM element here, that's selecting the right button or the element that you need to take the style for. Let's just copy this here, take all of this, Control C. Let's go to our VS Code here, let's just add it here, and change this class to our button. Basically it's just called button. And if we save that and go to the browser and reload, that's now the button. But when we hover, the color is not changing. And also this is called custom CSS, and this custom button, let's go back and change this to custom CSS. And if I come back again and just reload that custom CSS, let's add the hover. How we can add the hover and how we can copy actually or clone this button hover, we can come again here. Again, let's select the button from DOM here, and then press this hovers here, and then select this checkbox, and it will show us the hover styling here. Copy that. Let's go to our VS Code open your style sheet as the int here. Let's add that here. Instead of this class, let's add just the button. Save it, go to the browser, reload, and let's hover. That we have hover effect now. And if I need just make it bigger, just to see the hover effect, that is has the hover effect, and also same this button matching the design and the style and even the hover state. Simply that how you can clone other web site CSS code, and how you can learn from their code how they build this actually. And this nice button, and you can go over this CSS styling here, and you can find out and just learn more about how to do this very nice CSS. Thank you for watching, and see you in very next tutorial.